Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create SQL Server database, table and view in Visual Studio 2010 integrated system. First of all, start Visual Studio from start menu, Visual Studio 2010. Click on the Visual Studio 2010. It's started. Now I am gonna create database. Create new SQL Server database. If you don't show the Server Explorer, just click on the view, and here is you can see Server Explorer. Here is Server Explorer. Just click on the Server Explorer. You automatically added in this left side of your screen. Then just click on right click on the data connection and click create new SQL Server database. Here is server name. My server name is just dot slash SQLEXPRESS. Windows authentication. If you don't have SQL Server database, if you want to create database in Visual Studio, then you should write a Windows authentication. My database name is my first test db. I am gonna just click OK, then it will add it in the data connection. OK, it's already created the my past test db. See that RotionPC.SQL expressed by past db. Now I am gonna create a table here. Just expand it, right click on the now there is no table. I expand the table folder, but no table display in here now. Just right click on the table, create add new table. Column name, this is column name, this is data type. Data column name, just I am gonna create a table name named student table. So as usual, student table have student name, address, phone number, fee. First of all, and name Bharkar, n Bharkar 50. n Bharkar, it allowed the string, I mean character name always Bharkar. If you write it only Bharkar, it will not allowed Bengali font or numeric font. Bangla font but other font will not support. If you select n Bharkar, it can support any language. Address n Bharkar 250. Address maybe more longer than name. Name, address, phone. n Bharkar 50 is enough. ID always integer or Bharkar maybe you can. If I select integer, thing is that integer is only allowed number, and Bharkar it's allowed number and character. Integer, now I add a primary key. Here is only one record in this table. Primary key, no duplicate allowed in this column, ID column. Set primary key integer, and I will make the identity here. Just go to the down select the ID column and identity specification, expanded identity specification, allow yes. After clicking yes, if you want to start it from 100, just put here 100. Increment speed 1. After second row 101, 102, increase 1. If you increment speed 5, then 100, 105. I'm gonna save it. Just put the student table name. Just the student table, student table. Okay, now I'm gonna make another table. Add new table. This is student fee. Student fee the table I will named it as student fee. So first of all, student ID integer, I will relate it with this column. Then fee must be float it integer only number allowed, but no decimal allowed in integer data type. Float can be allowed integer and decimal all. Fee tab sl, it also integer. I can make it primary key and identity. Remember that without primary key no table allowed without primary key. If you when you want to insert record in the table, if there is no primary key, the data will not insert in the table. Just click on the save button here, and student fee tab stufee fee tab, the two table added. Now I'm gonna relate it. See that this is primary key table. Our primary key table is student table. Foreign key table is student fee table. Select primary key table, student table, primary key column ID, student fee table, student fee. In the student fee table also related table is ID. Okay, our relation is done. Close, save. This is student table, this is student fee table. Now I am gonna insert, click on the show table data, and then I am gonna insert student name, address, phone, ID incremental automatically. It can be null, no problem. If it is null, John UK 3 record. I just insert 3 record. Now I will add fee of this. First of all, ID 1, see that ID 1 fee is 200, ID 2 fee is 300, ID 5 fee is 600. It will not allowed. See that the primary key relation not matched. There is no ID 5. That's why if I put it 3, then okay. If someone's fee is double, I mean first of all 600, then in first term, second term exam में 3 600 and 6200, then it will allowed if the ID is equal. Now see, I will make a view. This is our table. Now I'll make a view, new view. See that the table, student tab, student fee tab. See that it's automatically display the relation name, ID, name, address, phone, fee. Now I'm gonna save this view, Ctrl S, save. student student info view. Just click OK. It is saved. Expand the view folder student info view. That's all. Yeah, you can now you can learn how to create table and how to join the table to table and how to create view too. Wait for next video. Next video I will teach you how to create store procedure, function, and etc etc in SQL server. Now I'm gonna show you it only in Visual Studio integrated SQL server. Later I will display you how to create in SQL server itself software. Okay, thanks to see this video. If you think as helpful, please subscribe.